My name is Trevor, and I was adopted.
My name is Wyatt, and I was adopted. The adoption changed my story. I knew the bed.
Adoption changed my story. Adoption is a story. It is the story of conception. It is the story of trauma. It is the story of rejoicing, and it is the story of healing, all converging into one grand meta-narrative of multiple lives fusing together in one family.